Staring at that iPhone lock to owner screen is one of the most frustrating experiences a tech user can face. It effectively turns your premium device into a high-end paperweight, and without the right credentials, you might feel like all your data and hardware investment are gone forever. In this guide, I will show you the legitimate, Apple-approved pathways to verify ownership and regain full access to your iPhone or iPad. You will learn the specific steps for account recovery and web-based removal that actually work. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. I know the stress of seeing that activation lock screen after a factory reset or a forgotten password. Apple keeps the security measure tight to protect user data and prevent theft. I will walk through the official verification steps to bypass activation lock using your own credentials. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have permission from the original owner to use these methods. Attempting to bypass security on a lost or stolen phone violates terms of service and local laws. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware. This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code. I start my recovery journey by gathering the original sales receipt and any documentation that proves I bought this device from an authorized retailer. Apple uses this security lock to link the hardware to a specific ID, which keeps my personal information safe if the phone is ever lost. I often find that a simple password reset is the fastest way to solve this if I still have access to my email or a trusted phone number. I will now look at how to use the official account recovery portal to reset my credentials and regain control through the web interface. I head over to the I Forgot website on a separate computer or tablet to begin the account recovery process. I enter my Apple ID email address and follow the prompts to confirm the phone number linked to my account. If I cannot access my trusted devices, I select the option to reset my password using my recovery key or through a verified email link. I check my inbox for the verification code and enter it carefully to regain access to my credentials. Once I have my updated password, I log into the iCloud website and navigate to the Find My section. I select the specific iPhone or iPad from my list of devices and choose the option to remove it from my account. This action remotely detaches the activation lock from the hardware. I navigate to the official Apple support website to start a formal activation lock support request. I fill out the online form with my contact information and the exact store location where I bought the hardware. I wait for the confirmation email, which assigns a case number to my file. A specialized technician reviews my documentation to confirm the transaction history matches their internal records. I understand that this process can take several days to complete. If I purchased my device secondhand from a private seller without a receipt, I might find the lock is permanent. Apple cannot verify ownership for third-party sales without original documentation. I accept that these security protocols are there to protect my privacy. I successfully navigated the official paths to bypass activation lock by using the I Forgot portal and formal Apple support requests. I gathered my original purchase receipts and verified my identity to prove ownership of the hardware. These steps help me regain access while keeping my data secure from unauthorized users. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.